Chris with ROE Dental Laboratory, and here at ROE we pride ourselves on being one of the most innovative dental labs in the country. We're always looking for the latest and greatest, the next best thing to make your lives easier and ultimately to deliver a nice, beautiful smile to your patients. Well, we have something very exciting, of course, to talk about in the full arch world. Now, everyone has probably heard of photogrammetry, where you need a very expensive camera to acquire the data to send to the lab to get an accurate passive restoration. Well, we here at ROE, we have Grammetry. You may have heard of that as well. Grammetry is an iOS intraoral scanner solution, so you don't need the expensive camera. It's a workflow with just your intraoral scanner. Well, introducing ArchBridge. The Grammetry ArchBridge is another intraoral scanner workflow. It's a photogrammetry adjacent workflow with the same accuracy, the same passive results, just using your intraoral scanner and these beautiful Grammetry ArchBridge scan bodies. These are titanium scan bodies, so they're reusable, autoclavable. You can use them with all of your patients. When you receive the Grammetry ArchBridge, we also want one hour design purchased through ROE Dental Lab. So you'll send the records to us, and then you have the design back to you within an hour. You're going to have to purchase that anyway in these photogrammetry and grammetry workflows. So one hour design purchased, and then the screws, which are Vortex screws, an amazing screw out there. You've probably heard of the Vortex screw. Well, those work with the ArchBridge. You just have to purchase the Vortex screws. Again, the ArchBridge is free. So we are not charging thousands of dollars for these scan bodies and making you pay an upfront fee for the finals. Nope, this is free. We just have to have you buy the Vortex screws, which is an amazing screw out there, and then one hour design. If you have any questions, of course, give us a call here at the lab or visit our website, and we have a very handy workflow book on Grammetry 2.0. So it covers the different Grammetry workflows out there that we work with. So a nice step-by-step protocol. It goes over the surgical protocol, exact records we need to get you your direct to multi-unit design the day of surgery within an hour. So please download the book on our website. Give us a call if there's any questions, and we look forward to working with you on your next Grammetry ArchBridge case. Thank you.